Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I woke up this morning and as I was making my cup of coffee, I saw these beautiful poppies from my kitchen window and I had to come out here and share them with you, what they were looking like in my garden. It's just so beautiful, and I actually just walked around and watered my garden, and I just wanted to take a pause and share with you how beautiful the garden looks with all of these pops of color, this vibrant orange and red, and it's just covered in poppy blooms right now. And it's so I don't know if this video is capturing the intensity and the beauty that these poppies are providing, but they just add such a beautiful pop of orange red in the garden, and there's nothing else like it right now in the garden for me. And it's just holding me, drawing me, and it's just so magical to sit here, have my coffee, and watch them as they are covered in this beautiful mass. So I only have a few of these purple Hungarian blue poppies, but they still do stand out amongst all of this red, and it's just a beautiful vista for me this morning that I just absolutely am stunned by. And I wanted to share this with you and take you along and show you what I was experiencing this morning. And it's kind of nice to, when you have so many flowers in the garden and so many different plants, it's nice for me to kind of see these and appreciate them on their own. And it's really the kind of a flower that will command that from you, and it's just stunning. And I think for me, this flower has really left me awe-stricken, because I am so much in love with it. And I feel like I want more of this in my garden everywhere, because it's really beautiful. And I do also have some other ones here that are going to open up, and I think these may be black swan. I'm not sure if that's what it is. At least the color feels like it's going to be that. So it'll be so exciting when those open as well. But it's a beautiful morning here, and it's been very hot in the last few days, and the plants actually are really thirsty for rain, and I hope it's going to rain today. But with that, it might just kind of damage these puppies. And even as I was watering them, I felt like I had to be so careful, because they are so delicate. Like the leaves are so the petals are so paper-like that it's so dainty and so magical, and they move in the wind, and it's just a beautiful, stunning flower, and it's so big and beautiful. So yeah, I just was having my cup of coffee this morning, and I wanted to take a pause and appreciate this and this view, and share it with you, because it's just something I just popped at me from my window this morning, and I just had to come out here and have my moment with this right now. So I hope everyone who's joining me this morning is having a fabulous Sunday. And I don't know how much of my garden that I will be doing today. I have lots of little chores to do, but I am really at this point really enjoying my garden. Lots of things are coming into bloom soon, so it's going to be very exciting. And lots of cornflowers are about to also pop open, and I think that's just going to add to this beauty. As you can see, this orange one here is looking so pretty against all of this that's happening in the background. And if you're thinking about growing poppies, I would highly recommend it. And I like how they've weaved themselves in between a lot of my other perennials and plants, and adding this height and texture in my garden, and I really like it. And at first, when I sowed these seeds, I thought I had put too many. I don't know what's gonna happen. I didn't even thin out anything. And I think just the way they have bloomed, I just love them just the way they are. I didn't have to manipulate anything. I didn't have to control anything, and I think it was just a beautiful kind of experience from sowing to watching them bloom right now, and it was highly rewarding. So with that note, I wanted to end this video, and I will catch you in my next video, and I wish everyone a beautiful morning and a beautiful day.